Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11i, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after your device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after the screen turns on and you can see HUAWEI logo appeared, just release power key and keep holding only volume up. After that you will end up in this kind of menu in which you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and in which everything is in Chinese. If you want to, I can translate it for you, not in the literal sense, but using modern day technology. So as you can see, you have 4 options, and the last one is the safe mode. So we should use volume keys to navigate to it and power key to select it, and after that device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit this mode, you just have to restart your device, and after that it will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.